everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So for today's Copart walk around, we're actually going to do it here at the office. Basically, we have some vehicles that are scattered across America, so definitely hard to get there to check it out personally. But hey, we want to check it out as much as we can virtually. Honestly, a lot of vehicles we have bought that way. Some are in Texas, California, so they're out there. It'd be really hard, like I said, to get there in time. They're playing today, so let's go ahead and check out our first vehicle on the list. So we got ourselves a 2021 Porsche Taycan, electric Porsche vehicle. Pretty sweet. Honestly, my favorite of the list today, but we'll see how much it goes for. So we got front end damage. Airbags are deployed. As you can see, knee airbag, wheel, curtain, seats are probably locked up, all that good stuff, but the dash looks okay. So that's important. This one is Las Vegas, very far. We got to put that in accountability. Shipping is going to be expensive on it, but not too bad. 29,000 miles, which is kind of high for the year. I would say they were driving this thing for sure. Has rear seats, pretty cool. All electric. Pretty sweet. So first thing I would do is how much they really go for. So it says estimated value is $77,000. I'm just looking Facebook locally, and yeah, I mean 77. Somebody's selling in Georgia, North Carolina, 115. The cheapest one I see is so far 77. So for a salvage title, I mean we're looking 60 tops. That's where you'll be pushing it. So you got to keep that in mind. 60,000 repaired price. We'll see what happens. Okay, so this is the history on it right here. Current bid 21,000. Yep. Insurance is selling it. That's a good sign. And so far it never sold before. Your sale. That's awesome. It's pretty sweet. That's all green signs right there. Next, look at the window sticker price. MonroeLabels.com. Pretty sweet that they do that as well. So it used to be sticker price is $79,000. Bunch of little add-ons. I think it's kind of funny. Porsche electric sport sound, $500 option, coming to a total of $102, almost $103,000 car. So this is definitely a high dollar vehicle. But man, it'd be fun to get this thing back on the road and drive around a little bit for sure, and then sell it, move on, get something else. That's nice. I was just looking at parts. Honestly, not too bad. Carparts.com is kind of where we go for, local junkyards and stuff. I think it is a sports package. So there is bumpers, $200. Used, so we'll see how much new ones are, but parts are there. That's pretty cool. So we'll wait to play this one live, but so far, green lights. Definitely a candidate, and hopefully we'll pick it up. All right, so next one on our list is actually another Porsche. Surprisingly, whatever, kind of, it is what it is. That's what's playing today. This one's in Texas, 2014, a little older, a little bit more damage. Honestly, price tag, be more affordable. Right now it's at $5,000. Rear end, front end, all around suspension. The rear bumper, not so bad. Surprisingly, not as many airbags deployed in this one. Pretty interesting. Pretty clean interior. 100,000 miles on it, so it's kind of a lot, again, for Porsche, but hey, it's manual. Definitely an eye catcher. It looks really cool, so why not? Let's play it, see what it goes for, but let's go ahead and check everything else first. All right, guys, so looking them up on Facebook, see how much they're worth right now. So I see one for $45,000. I mean, it's kind of high, I would say. I don't think we're going to get anywhere near that for a salvage. This is just a regular one. But we'll see. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell with these supercars. It is what you want to price it for, what you want to let it go for, what somebody really wants to pay it for it. I don't know. Auto A stat, checking out the history. Insurance is selling this one, so that's good. Everything else looks pretty clean. Never sold before, pure sale. Coming out of Texas. Sticker price was $52,000 originally. After all the add-ons and stuff, $67,000. So that's not bad. Not that many add-ons to it, but pretty cool. Yeah, so now we got a good fair price. We know how much it was worth at the beginning, before the accident. Roughly how to sell, still up in the air. Don't really know, but hey, it's playing today. We'll see what it goes for. Maybe we'll pick it up. And already the last one on our list is this 2010 Bentley Continental. Pretty cool. So the damage isn't too bad, I would say, right there in the front. Looks like there's a lot going on. But we mainly have our fender, bumper, headlight, some computers probably down there. There's a lot packed into this little thing. actually huge. But right away, the first thing that I see, certificate of title. So this thing is actually still a clean title, which is great because you could rebuild it. Has a crash history, no big deal, but you can still get financing, all that other stuff on it. Makes it a lot easier in different states, not salvage title. So that is a huge plus on that end right away. Overall, the body is looking good. Rear, front, interior looks really nice. Airbags don't seem to have been deployed. Wow, that's a huge screen for 2010. Must be upgraded or something. 94,000 miles, still kind of high. They drove it around for sure, but 12 cylinder, wow, this thing is definitely cool. Playing in a couple hours. Current bid is 11,000. Let's check the history on it. So right away, trying to find one exactly the same, it's going to be really hard. But a 2008 is only going for $28,000. Wow, pretty cheap, I would say. 2010 is definitely newer, different style. So it's kind of hard to find one exactly in my area. 2010, more rare car for sure. But checking the history on it, current bid is $11,000. Like we said, seller is Toyota. It's kind of interesting. So it must be a company, but keys are there. Like I said, clean title, minimum bid, not a pure sale. So they have a reserve price, but no big deal. Checking out the window sticker price. That is insane. $270,000. That's a house right there. Back in the day, this thing was definitely high dollar. The price went down a lot. I don't know how much percentage, but that's pretty crazy. Wow. But like I said, it's playing soon. We'll go at it. Hopefully we'll pick it up. We'll try to at least pick one up. We got ourselves a new project. All right, guys, about 6 minutes before it plays. Just checking out this other one. This 2021 Porsche Taycan actually almost sold for 17. And started going to a bidding war. Definitely a harder hit. It's just good to know how much maybe the white one will go for. That's that. $20,000. Still, I would say is a pretty good deal. Let's see how much it sells for. Up 23,000. Not bad. All right, guys, the 2021 Porsche is playing next. I'm excited, nervous about it. I don't know. We'll see how much it goes for. But definitely be a really cool project to get it back on the road. I don't know what I should do for the bidding strategy. Should I just like go slow? Or should I just like monster bid it? You know, like I want this thing, scare people away. I guess I'm excited. So it's kind of hard to tell. But there's definitely strategy. What do we do? This 2023 Tesla is going to probably take a while. Looks like a lot of people are interested in it. All right, guys, there we go. $2,000, $20,000. So I'm going to go slow. I'm going to pretend like we're not interested. We have 3,000 people playing this thing right now, so it's definitely a lot. Let's see what it goes for. Going kind of high with a lot of bidders and a lot of people. Get in there too. Let's bid it. Let's see. Oh, Ukraine's getting in the game. Surprisingly, yeah, they're buying a lot of vehicles. You better. I'd like to pick it up for under 30, but right now, as it sits, wow, monster bid from Florida. Dang, they really want it. So you're looking to get it home, 35,000 right there. It's just begun. 30K was kind of my budget. Sheesh, looks like Florida really wants it. Dang. Okay, there's a couple more that I'm going to play, like I said. The Porsche playing. Sold. It was pretty close, but by the time, like I said, it was really far. If I checked it out, I was there, then yeah, I probably would have went over budget, but getting it home would already be 33, you know, after fees and shipping, everything like that. So didn't get that one. It's okay. Check out the other two. All right, everybody. So the 2014 Porsche is about to play in about 4 minutes. But unfortunately, I already missed the Bentley. The auction started way later than the Porsche, but I guess it was one of the first vehicles. I was out and about doing stuff, came back, and it's already sold. So the Bentley sold for $15,300, but that's on approval, which I think is kind of high anyway. I was going to go up to $10,000, so not a big deal that I missed it. Because they go for like 20, 30,000 fixed, and this one still had issues. It was still wrecked. So I mean, it's pretty crazy from going from like almost $300,000 to $15,000. What a depreciation! And this one's still clean title, damage history, but it is gone. All right, don't want to miss the Porsche. Like I said, it's playing 3 minutes. So I'm definitely gonna stay put. Don't get distracted because you get pulled all the time in the shop. Different things going on here and there. When you're in the office, it's like, you know, you still have other projects going on. So I was trying to do that, but no big deal. I'll stay here, play this Porsche, and hopefully pick something up for another project. All right, guys, just like that, we got ourselves a Porsche. Wow. Yeah, like I said, it went really fast. All of a sudden, like, cars were playing really quick. Sometimes it takes a while. Cars are playing. So I was like, I'm fine. I look over and it's playing. I was like, oh, man. Click, click, click. And then I thought it's going to go for way more. And boom, no bonus time, no nothing. And we got it for a good deal. Like I said, we're about to want to go for like around $10,000. So that's awesome. So 7.8 was our winning bid. Probably 8.4 after fees, something like that. But yeah, that's awesome. Definitely a cool looking car. I might paint the whole thing, honestly. It's got some scuffs all around it. Front suspension, rear suspension. But not that bad. Front bumper. A couple more parts right there. Knee assembly. I wonder how much a knee assembly is for this thing. I should have looked at that before we bought it, but whatever. No big deal. I just seen that there has no keys. So that's kind of unfortunate. But yeah, definitely got ourselves a new little project. Hopefully we'll get that going soon. We'll get all the parts together and get this thing back on the road. Texas, Houston. Hopefully shipping isn't too bad. Probably around $800 to get it over here. I don't know if we're going to pick it up ourselves. Probably not. That's a lot of time. We'll see. Who knows? Depends what happens, I guess. But yeah, definitely exciting. Got a new build. Alright guys, so that is exciting news. We got ourselves this Porsche. A little different. I thought we were going to get the other cars, but hey, why not? This thing is going to definitely look amazing once we're done. We're probably not going to keep it green, make it different. It's probably a wrap on there anyway. Who knows? We'll definitely find out when it comes in, but we still need to get it shipped over here. So the winning bid was $7,800, which is awesome, but after fees, ended up being $8,748. So basically $8,800, and then by the time we get it home, it's probably closer to $9,500. So less than $10,000. We got ourselves this cool 2014 Porsche. Hopefully no hidden damage. We'll find out once it comes in, though. Definitely looking forward to this build. It might take a little more than just one little thing because there's damage all around. But hey, that's exciting. But unfortunately, that's all the time for this episode, guys. Stay tuned. We are going to get this thing hopefully delivered to the shop from Texas, hopefully soon, and we'll start going at it and get it repaired and back in the road and make it one of a kind, make it unique, whole body paint job. It's gonna be fun. So exciting new project ahead. Thanks guys, leave some comments down below what you think of the build, and we'll catch you next time.